Walking. When he came to a fruit and vegetable market, he stopped it outside the market, and fruit and vegetable sellers were taking boxes of fruits and vegetables off a truck. "Everyone here is too busy to play," said Big Bird. He went on walking. Big Bird stopped it at a firehouse. The firefighters were washing the fire engine. "Everyone here is busy too," sighed Big Bird. So he went on walking. Big Bird came to a police station and stopped it. The police officers were standing in a straight line for inspection. "Oh dear, everyone is busy this morning," said Big Bird, and he went on walking. At the newspaper stand, the seller was untying bundles of newspapers. "She looks too busy to play," said Big Bird, so he went on walking. Soon Big Bird came to a window with clocks in it. All the clocks said 7 o'clock. "7 o'clock," said Big Bird with surprise. "That's the time I usually get up in the morning. I must be an early bird today." Big Bird walked it back to Sesame. By the time he got home, he was very tired. "I think I will take a little nap," said Big Bird. Meanwhile, all of Big Bird's friends were waking up. Betaloo was making her bed. The Count was brushing his teeth. Cookie Monster was brushing his fur. Oscar was reading the Grudge Gazette. Bert and Ernie were eating breakfast. Little Bird was washing his face. Sherlock Hemlock was adjusting his hat. Everyone was busy at the start of a new day. Everyone, that is, except Big Bird. "Wake up, sleepyhead," said Little Bird. "It's time to get up." But Big Bird was fast asleep. The end.